Time flies. It's now been 1 week since your Bosley hair transplant. By now, your scalp should be starting to heal and feel more comfortable. Let's go over what you need to know about taking care of your hair and scalp. In this video, I'll share a few important tips for you to follow over the next few weeks to make sure your transplanted hair grows in properly. We'll go over how to treat your scalp, activities to do and avoid, how you can style your hair, and how to wash your hair. Let's get right into it. Has your scalp felt tender, tingly, or numb over the last few days? If so, don't worry. This is a normal result of the surgical procedure. Over the next few weeks or months, these sensations will subside. If discomfort is bothering you, consider reducing your activity level and using oral pain medications. You may also experience itching in the transplanted area. Avoid scratching the area. To relieve the itching, gently spritz with the day spray from your post-op kit or cold water from a spray bottle. Whenever you experience itching, you can take antihistamines. Patients usually prefer a non-drowsy type of antihistamine, like Claritin. And at night, you can continue with the same thing or something that makes you sleepy, like Benadryl. Continue to apply a thin layer of Bacitracin to the entire donor area 2 to 3 times daily. In addition, be sure to protect your scalp from excessive sun exposure for at least 3 months. Cover your head during prolonged periods in the sun. You can start using sunblock on the transplanted area 14 days after your procedure. Now that it's been a week since your hair transplant, you can start building back to your normal exercise routine gradually. Just remember to avoid swimming, getting in a hot tub or sauna, or exposing your scalp to direct sunlight for at least 14 days following your procedure. If desired, feel free to use a blow dryer on low heat. Do not use hairspray, hair gel, or alcohol-containing products until at least 10 days after your hair transplant. Also, do not get a haircut, perm, or color your hair for a minimum of 14 days following your hair transplant. Continue washing your hair every day to encourage good healing. By day 10, you can continue using the remaining shampoo you received in your post-op healing kit, or switch back to your regular shampoo if desired. In or out of the shower, you may start to notice crusts and short shafts of transplanted hair dropping out of your scalp. These are not your grafts falling out. This shedding is a normal part of the hair growth cycle, and hairs will begin to grow from the transplanted follicles in 4 to 5 months. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to checking in with you throughout the hair transplant recovery process. Remember, we're here for you. See you again in 4 weeks.